Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric welding machine for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric welding machine for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When purchasing an electric welding machine, it's essential to consider several key factors to ensure you get the right tool for your needs. Determine the type of welding you will be doing: MIG, TIG, or stick. MIG welders are versatile and user-friendly, ideal for beginners and thin materials. TIG welders offer precision for thin materials and complex welds, while stick welders are robust and suited for heavy-duty applications. Assess the power output and voltage range of the machine. A higher power output is essential for thicker materials and more demanding tasks. Ensure the machine's voltage matches your power supply. This refers to the amount of time a welder can operate before it needs to cool down. A higher duty cycle allows for longer continuous operation, which is crucial for extensive projects. Depending on where you plan to use it, consider the machine's weight and size. Portable models are ideal for mobile jobs, while heavier units may offer better stability for workshop use. Look for features like adjustable settings, digital displays, and automatic feed systems. These can enhance precision and ease of use. Brand and warranty: opt for a reputable brand with good customer reviews and a solid warranty. This ensures reliability and support in case of any issues. By evaluating these aspects, you can choose an electric welding machine that best suits your requirements and ensures effective and efficient welding. Thanks for watching the video.